You started your business with a vision, yet here you are spending 60 plus hours a week answering all the phone calls, all the inquiries come to you, and you are the single source of the truth. You just cannot get a break. My name is Rishi Gupta from 25 Terawatts, and I help businesses and individuals do more of what they love and less of what they don't. Businesses achieve exactly that so they have time for what actually matters and have more money in their pocket. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the missing ingredient from your business, which is going to help you grow, build, and scale. Let's start with what you're typically experiencing in your business. Whether you are the business owner, founder, CTO, CFO, CEO, those 60, 80-hour weeks are not going to be sustainable. They are crushing your soul. All the processes in your business being manually done is bleeding your profit margins. Even if you're growing, is that growth on the best trajectory it can be? Is everybody that works for you as fulfilled and as utilized as they can be? Do you get to spend enough time with your family? This is not why businesses are started. This is not why people go to work, or at least not what they had in mind when they first started out. And what stops you from applying automation to your business? Is it that previous technology solutions were just overpriced and they underdelivered? Is that going to stop you from potentially finding something that actually works? Do you fear that AI will just completely take over and replace the human touch? These are beliefs that just are not true. We build automation solutions that empower your staff and you, not replace them. You and your employees can get more done in less time. And on top of that, they have job satisfaction, keeping your retention and productivity high, leading to happy customers and boosted profit margins. If you're working with somebody who truly has your best interests at heart and actually wants to understand the challenges you face in your business rather than just to apply the solution that they have built. This is what's different in my approach. As an agency owner, it's my job to understand what you're dealing with and then find the best solution possible to help you overcome that challenge. I am not somebody who's going around with a master key trying to solve all problems. You show me what lock you have and I will get a customized key built to open that specific lock that you share with me. When I apply automation solutions to my clients' businesses, I promise a 5x to 10x return on investment, guaranteed. And that's a one-time investment. Whatever it's costing you per year, I can get a solution built once, thereby compounding your profits year on year. What I'm offering to you here is implementation without headaches. I'm a part of a network of world-class AI developers with decades of experience and battle scars that build solutions that work at low cost, high performance, and high speed of delivery. Yes, it's all working in your favor and everybody's. Those win-wins that I talked about, this is what good business truly is. Having such a wide network of developers, I'm able to offer zero downtime and hand-picked teams suited to your challenges. Companies I have worked with have transformed their operations. Millions of dollars of waste has been eliminated in terms of human effort, while 100% of my clients are insanely satisfied and they come up with ideas for automation in their business. If this resonates with you, let's talk. I will find the bottleneck that is stopping your business from growing and scaling. And together we will come up with solutions. Whether you move forward with development or not, you will get an idea of what is possible. So click the link below and let's talk.